Hello everyone, this is Manpreet from Career Talks. You're watching Career Talks with Manpreet. Welcome back to my channel and I'm here to answer your all queries regarding German studies, German PR, German jobs, whatever you know about Germany. If you have any queries, you plan your future in Germany regarding your qualification, you have any doubts, you're eligible for public university or not, and if yes, then how is it possible to apply in public universities? So please one by one write down your comments. So I am here to answer your queries. So hello everyone, please write down your queries in a comment box. So I try my best to clear all doubts. Hello, hi, good evening. Hi, how are you? Write down your queries in a comment box. So for MD process, we need to study in Germany. There is no need to study in Germany for MD process. MD is totally a clinical process. So there is a need to job in Germany for your practice. So when you start doing job, uh, then on the side by side, like for MD, there is a need of clearing the license exam. Once you clear the license exam, then you get the license to work in Germany. And after completing German language, you can easily apply for FSP exam, and after clearing FSP exam, you easily get the temporary license, and when you get the temporary, you are eligible to start working in Germany. And side by side, in the between 2 years, you are allowed to give you have a time to give the final exam, KP exam. After giving KP exam, you get the permanent license, and you easily eligible to work in Germany as a doctor profile. So there is no need to study in Germany for your medicine program. It's totally a clinical process, and from the beginning, when you get the temporary license, you start earning stipend approx 3 to 4 lakh monthly easily. Okay, I have lots of queries. Um, just a minute. Please tell me about advantage of nursing working in Germany. Dear, in Germany, there are millions of vacancies in Germany, millions of vacancies as a nurse profile in Germany, as a physiotherapist in Germany. If you've done GNM or BSc nursing, in both cases you are eligible to apply in Germany as a nurse profile. The second requirement is German language. Up to B1 level, it's mandatory to complete these three levels from in your home country. You are allowed to do the B2 level parallelly with your job, and if you want to do B2 level from your home country, it's your choice, but you are eligible to start job after B1 also. Please tell me the biotechnology courses for bachelor's. Yes, biotechnology courses are easily possible. The students apply for MBBS medicine courses, and if students not get FSP one score, then you have an option to give again FSP. But if you want to choose, if you want to change the stream, then also a good option. So if you change the stream, like you want to apply for a biotechnology, then it's possible, but bachelor's in biotechnology mostly present in German language. And after biotechnology, there are lots of scope. Like if you plan to do for a research PhD program, then you can do choose a master's and also do PhD and research. While doing masters, you are allowed to do work in biotechnology companies also. So when you are doing your masters and you are doing a part-time job in biotechnology companies, then you easily earn a good salary when doing a job on a biotechnology company. Job when you are doing job in a biotechnology companies. Ma'am, I have one doubt. If I go Germany, then German language is compulsory. Okay. And many consultants say German language is 1 year course. Then please tell me, ma'am, true pathway. Yeah. Their German language is seriously compulsory, and yes, it takes time. If you register file with us, we start online classes within 24 hours, and it takes 3 months for A1 A2, and after reaching Germany B1 B2 C1, it takes 6 months. You can take a figure around 8 to 9 months it required for learning German language up to C1 level. And we always suggest do higher levels from the Germany, because these are higher levels, and you are going to study whole degree in the German language. So it's good you make your base strong and let the country help you to convert into its language. Tell me about equivalence of diploma. Like you done diploma of any engineering profile, civil engineering, mechanical after 10th, and you want to apply for a bachelor's in German public universities, then yes, you are eligible. With the help of diploma, you are eligible for applying bachelor's degree from public universities. You are able to study bachelor degrees from public universities. If you not done 12th, there is no problem. You done diploma after 10th, still you are eligible for study your bachelor degree from German public universities. Hello dear. Do I have to get any kind of grades during nursing works? If you are fresher, then still you are eligible for doing job in Germany as a nurse profile. If you are experienced, it increases your credits. If you are freshers, then still you are eligible for all profile. Not only commonly we talk about nursing. If you plan for a MD kind fields, if you plan for a engineering profiles, if you plan for a doctor's profile, you have a proper degree in your hand, you are eligible for doing job in Germany. If you have a proper you are easily crack the interview with your skills. Then if you are fresher or experienced, no worries, you are eligible to do work in Germany. How much percentage would you recommend it in 12th PCM to get acceptance in Ludwig Maximilian University in BSc Physics? If you want to study in German taught language for your BSc in Physics, then with the help of 12, 50% you are eligible for BSc Physics. But if you want to study in English taught, then yes, 12th with more than 70s, then you are eligible for English taught bachelor's. If you want to study your bachelor physics in German taught, then 50% is okay. If you want to study your bachelor's in English taught physics, BSc in physics in English language, then 12 is 70%. We have both options, German taught bachelor's also and English taught bachelor's. If you want to study English taught bachelor, then please try to coordinate with us as soon as possible, because for English taught bachelor's, the intake, the classes will be going to be start in September for 13-year education English student play program, most demanding course. Please explain FSP exam in detail. If you talk about FSP exam in terms of medical, like for MD program, then FSP is the exam for temporary license. So FSP is like if you plan for work in Germany as a doctor profile, then FSP is mandatory. And FSP is not like a written exam like FASPRA perform, and it's like a total practical exam. It's a 60 minutes exam, 20 minutes. You have 3 rounds in it. Like in one round there is an examiner and there are two, you act as a patient and one another doctor, and there is an examiner which examines how you communicate with the doctor in German language regarding your problem. In second round, the examiner checked that as a doctor how you communicate with other doctor discussing some other patient's history. In the third round, examiner checked that as a doctor how you explain anything in the written part in the patient history, how you written the all history of the patient. So they check your German in writing part also. So in this type, your FSP exam divides into 3 parts: 20 minutes, 20 minutes, 20 minutes. Ma'am, student league is possible in English taught now? Yes, of course, student league is possible in English. If you follow us from on YouTube or Insta anywhere, then I upload a proper detailed video. Just go, watch our YouTube channel, and in which I already upload a video that how English taught bachelor is possible. Yes, English taught student league is possible, and English taught student league there is no Aufnahme exam, there is no German language exam, there is no headache, only one exit exam FSP, and that FSP also in English language. And we have a student league in all courses: T course, M course, W course. So medical students also have option for English M course student league. Engineering students also have an option for T course student league. And business related students also have an option for W course student league, English language. Is IELTS mandatory for English taught for MBA? Uh, if you plan to study your masters in English language, then obviously IELTS is mandatory. And if you plan to study your masters in any masters or bachelors in German language, then German taught is mandatory. Um, there is a need to prove your language proficiency certificate in your to your embassy. Like it's a document which is mandatory to complete your embassy file. So if you're going to study in English language, your degree either bachelor or master, there's a need of IELTS document IELTS document is mandatory for your embassy file. And if you want to go for a study for a German bachelor's and master's, then German language certificates are mandatory in your embassy file. Ma'am, I have done my diploma as in medical field. So can I have direct equivalence in Germany? Therefore, medical diploma, there is no use of medical diploma if you plan to study in if you plan to study for MBBS course, medicine course, then there is no option to skip the student league program, and then 12th is also mandatory. If you plan to study like any other courses, for medical courses diploma not work, for engineering courses and for W courses diploma will work. For medical courses it's compulsory, student league program is compulsory, and also 12th is mandatory. Which public student colleagues of not perform in least competitive for T course? See, public student colleague, either you give and for any public student colleague of not perform, you clear any of not perform, and you are eligible to study after clearing FSP of any public student league. You are eligible to study in all public universities. Not like that you clear Aufnahme of Charity Berlin and you crack the FSP also, then you are eligible to study in all German public universities. Not like that you are eligible to study only in Berlin University. So it's a Charity Berlin also easy. Of now perform either of M course, either of T course, either of W course. The syllabus of all exam pattern of all of now is same. 50% mathematics and 50% German language. So either you plan for a M course, for T course, for W course, of Nama syllabus is always same. So it's not like that this university of Nama is easy or strong. The syllabus pattern is of Nama is same, so it's including two subjects, mathematics and German. Hello dear. Hi Indu. Keep going ma'am. Thank you. I have heard that Ludwig University is highly selective, and yes, I want to study a German program doing B2 level German at the moment. That's great if you are doing B2 level. Then if you already doing B2 level, only one level is left after C1. Maybe some universities also said B2 also, or B2 or after C1 you are eligible to study in German public all universities if you have a 12-50%, no worries. Because when you learn this German language, so German language certificates increase your credits, either your percentage 50, 60 or 70, no worries. These language certificates help to increase your credits. Why Germany is better than UK or other countries? Why we choose Germany? Germany is better than UK. Why? See, Germany is like a developer. You can say that it's an industrial part where the jobs, there are number of vacancies but the manpower is come. If you compare job market of UK, also you find a study pattern is okay, but in Germany study is free, and UK you have to pay lots of money. This is the one common point which you already also know, that Germany is better than UK. Why? Because Germany is free and UK there is a need to pay money for your studies. And if I compare the job market, then it's very hard to get a job in UK market, but it's very easy to get a job in German market. Yet try to search this whole difference between from the social media. You get the proper information regarding that Germany is all good, better option from all the countries, not only from UK, because job market is good. Unemployment is hardly 2-3% in Germany, so you can easily get the job in German market if you are aware with the German language and you have a degree from the German university. These are the 2 points demand for the German market. It takes how much time to learn German language? Like for A1 A2, whole Delhi market teach you in 3 months, and yes, Goethe takes 3 months for a one level. And we always suggest two high levels from Germany. And if I give you a roughly idea, B1, B2, C1, it takes 6 months if you learn from Germany. And my number of students learn these 3 levels, high levels from Germany, and they easily clear all the 3 levels in first attempt. Thank you very much, ma'am. It means a lots of love. Thank you. Yes, exactly. But student clique is problem at the moment. Why it's a problem? I need to study in public student clique, and the off-number really seems like a problem at the moment just because of the competition. Every time there is a competition. If you discuss the same point with the 12 students, then 12 standard student always see that we have a lots of competition between the same class students. So every time when you prepare yourself for any exam, there is a competition. So never see like that you are alone in the examination hall. All universities have all different Aufnahme registrations and pattern. Aufnahme syllabus is same. Either you plan for any public university Aufnahme. So it's because not to worry about the competition. Just focus on your exam syllabus, nothing else. There are a lot of competitors as a students also, and as a market also, as a universities also, you can say that. So don't try to search that which university gives you easy Aufnahme. Try to focus that how much more preparation there is a need to complete the syllabus of Aufnahme. It's a good option, I guess. Thank you, ma'am. Okay, welcome, Ji. Without German language, you find job easily? No, dear. For German language, for job market in Germany, German language is mandatory. If you learn German language and you have a degree from the German university, then job market is very good for you. Hardly 2-3% unemployment rate in Germany. And all my sessions, I always give you this in detail, like that German language is mandatory. Don't if you not want to, if you are not think that we are not able to learn, then don't think about Germany. Leave the German option. Try to focus on the English country. If you plan your future in Germany, then you have to learn German language mandatory. With the help of German language, when you once you learn the German language, you feel like a king in Germany. Hello, dear. I'm a 12th student at the moment. Okay, fine. You're a 12th standard student. So when you're giving 12th exam, then you also face like a lots of competition. No? So just feel like that Aufnahme is also 12th final exam. At a student age, you all are prepared for the exam competitions. Any more queries? Hope I gave all answers of all queries. If you have any query, if anyone having more query, please write on fast. I am here only for more 1 minute. And if you want to communicate with me, then join my Zoom session. I am live at Zoom after half an hour around 5 p.m. And for Zoom meeting link, DM me. Any more queries? Anthony, you have any query here? Well, you have ever made student accepted by? Yes, of course, why not? Actually, we always help student to register for a Aufnahme perform. We always guide to students for a public student league. at least for two intakes. If in one intake you're not clear any Aufnahme perform, in one intake we try to register for 2-3 Aufnahme perform. If anyone student not clear this Aufnahme perform, then we it's your choice. You can take a break of 6 months and give the Aufnahme perform in the second in for the second intake after 6 months. But it's also a good choice that after trying once time Aufnahme perform, try to opt the private student league if Aufnahme. If you are a medical student, then maybe Aufnahme is tough for you. If you are an engineering student, then Aufnahme is not a big problem for you, because after C1 you have the option to give Aufnahme, and you also study mathematics in 2 years. So what's the Aufnahme syllabus? 50% German language, 50% mathematics. So Aufnahme is easy for you. Thank you so much, ma'am. Great explanation. Keep going, ma'am. Always welcome to you. Okay, I guess I clear all doubts. So if you want to communicate with me, please join our live session, Zoom live session after half an hour, around 5 p.m. DM me for the link if you want to communicate with me. Thank you, ma'am. Okay, dear. Bye-bye.